The baker bakes the bread in the early morning. Someone opens the door and the new day flew. People often watch this film on the couch or in bed. They paint the house in green or red or yellow or just.
We discuss the problem.
A technician repairs the computer. The company develops new products.
Bigger, smaller, better.
No one follows these rules. That's a shame but true.
You may not smoke here.
People talk about you, but weird. An author wrote the book in 2020 in a quiet time. He did not give the answer despite politeness. Someone stole the bicycle last night.
Just like that.
Without complaint, he invited them to the party with
Pleasure and with might. We discuss the problem.
a technician repairs the computer. The company develops new products.
Bigger, smaller, better.
No one follows these rules. That's a shame but true.
You may not smoke here.
People talk about you, but weird. They negotiated long about money and about time. They have painted the house with love and diligence. The children have eaten the cake with joy and taste. We have made an appointment for tomorrow or for later.
We discuss the problem.
A technician repairs the computer. The good company develops new products.
Bigger, smaller, better.
No one follows these rules. That's a shame but true.
You may not smoke here.
People talk about you, but weird. The mechanic has repaired the car, finally whole again. I have washed the windows until they shine like steel. Both parties have signed a contract with pen on paper. They have sold all the tickets for the concert here. Someone must clean the room
For the guests tonight.
You can do this work, it is not heavy.
It is healthy.
You